ordered the Chic Cheek #1 blush palette and the Sculpting and Contour #1 contour palette. So let's see which one. They both came in like this bubble wrap bag. Ooh, okay, these are bigger than I thought. I saw them in Tate's video, but I forgot how big they were. Oh, and also I only have like my foundation, concealer. I don't have any blush, highlight, contour, anything on, so we can try these out. Alright, so first we have the Chic Cheek palette. Alright. Ooh, okay, so right off the bat, I love the packaging. It's super cute. So it just says it has the pink Scott Barnes. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so these are much brighter in person than I thought. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Oh, wow, this is a really nice... This is a really nice mirror. That's super nice. Okay, it says... My colors are blush and bashful. Well, I don't know what that means. Okay, so let's see. So these are the, I think these are to be used as like toppers. And then, so you have the 2 toppers and then the 6 blushes. So, let's see. Let's go in with, I really want to go in with, let's try Mango. Oh wait, no, actually, let's open the contour palette first, and because I usually do my contour, bronzer, and then blush and highlight. So let's open up this one. So this is the Sculpting and Contour Cheek Palette. Ooh, I love these packaging. Packaging. This one just says Scott Barnes too. Oh wow. Okay. Scott Barnes, I'm trusting you because these look really gray. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Okay. I'm a little nervous. Oh, that's cute. The mirror says snatch that face. I don't think you can see it. Right there. Okay. So let's go in with, let's see. I'm afraid of these colors. I'm not gonna lie. All right. So first, I'm just gonna go in with. I'm gonna go in with Carve and Sliced. So Carved is this one right here, and then Sliced. I'm just gonna mix those together. And I'm just using this big. It came in one of my Boxy Charms. So let's see. Let me come to the light a little more. Okay, so I feel like you really need to blend these out. So it's, okay, let's try. Let's go to this side. Okay. Okay, sorry, my lighting. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, it definitely is, I put way too much on this side. So, there's definitely a lot of color payoff. Scott Barnes. Okay. Okay, we're going to use this hashtag shade color because I know he used that when he, oh my gosh, that's red. When he contoured her jawline. Okay. I guess I was expecting this to be more of like a bronzing palette, but it's definitely more of like a contour palette. So yeah, okay. Let's go with a smaller brush and see what contour we can do. So I'm gonna go with the shade Snatched, which is right here. Just use a small angle brush. I'm just gonna use like a tiny bit. These are. No, my face just looks dirty. Okay, let's go back and try to blend these out a little. I'm just going in, I went in with chiseled. I'm just going to try to blend all this madness out. Okay, that's looking better. I feel like there's definitely a learning curve with these that is going to take me a little bit to get used to. I don't know, can you see it? Sorry guys, my lighting isn't the best in here. Alright, well before I make my face look too dirty, I'm really going to have to mess with this and get back to you guys. My first impressions are that these are not the colors if you're pale. This might not work the best for you because I'm very pale. Okay, yeah. I'm going to mess with this, I think, for the week and then get back to you with my opinion. Because right now, it's not the best. Okay. Holding out hope for this blush palette. Okay. So I'm going to go in with, let me show you. Now I love these colors. I love bright blushes. The brighter the better for me. Let me kind of zoom you in. So let's go in with, I'm going to go in with Mango Fizz and Rosé because I think on his video he just went in with those two and they looked really pretty. So I'm just going to dab a little bit. This is just an angled blush brush. Schmiss Glam. I don't know. Okay. Oh wow, that's okay. That's beautiful. I'm trying to come in so you can see. Okay, so these blushes, these are beautiful. It's very. I have large pores like all around my cheeks, so a lot of times blush can look patchy on me, but this just looks like really glowy and natural. So I'm just gonna go with Mango Fizz and Rosé again. Okay, I really like these blushes. Okay, so I like them. Sorry, this this looks a little ridiculous, but I put way too much of each on, so ignore me. Okay. So I definitely am liking this blush palette more. So let's go in. I want to try these Transformers on top. So let's go in. Let's just go with this crazy color. Glowy and showy. I'm guessing the bottom one's glowy. I'm not 100% sure. Okay. I just put a little bit on. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. Okay, so that just makes it look like... Sorry. I don't know if you can see. That just kind of gives it, like, a really beautiful, like, lit from within sheen. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I like those. Alright. Okay, so now that I have the blush on, it definitely blends very well over the contour, so I do like it. Yeah, I definitely, I love the blush palette right away. The contour palette, I think I definitely have to mess around with a little more, so right now, I'd say if you're kind of torn between like which one to buy, definitely go with the blush palette. These, if you're pale, I'd say you might want to hold off on this because they're so expensive. But I love Scott Barnes, so I really wanted to try them out. I love the blush palette, and I think I'll mess around with the contour palette this week and get back to you and give you like an updated, like what I found works, what I found didn't. So let me go in and just finish this off with some highlights so we can see. This is my favorite highlight that I've been using. It's the Horse and Carriage from ColourPop. It just looks like you're just like glowing from within when you put it on. I don't know if you guys can. I love it, especially when I use the Jeffree Star setting spray over top, and it just looks like your soul is glowing. Like, I just love it. Okay, let's do this side. I'm gonna do a little down the nose, upper lip. Okay. Alright, so okay, so now that everything's finished, I do think it looks beautiful all together. At first it looks super patchy, but now it actually looks like very blended. It looks a little harsh in the camera. I think that might just be the lighting. But because in person it does look good. Okay. So right off the bat, my final thoughts. I did love the blush palette. I would say it is definitely worth the money because their colors, I love you. And if you're not into bright colors, this might not be for you. But that's why I wanted to use like the brightest one, because I even used the two brightest colors in the palette and it's still natural. It doesn't look too crazy. It doesn't look clown-like. It just looks kind of like glowy and natural. So I'd say if you like, more unique shades of blushes, or you're looking to try new ones, I would recommend this because I really did like it, especially with the toppers. Next time I want to go in with this lighter one to see how that looks. But I did really like that. So I do like the blush palette, and like I said again, I don't know if you can see, these are very unique contour colors. So I'm definitely going to mess with them this week, and I'll give you guys an updated video. So those are my final thoughts for right now on the Scott Barnes blush and contour palette. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.